The Miller and His Donkey. A miller and his son lived in a village. The miller had a donkey. All three lived happily. Once there was a country fair in the neighboring village. The miller and his son decided to visit the fair. They took their donkey along. On the way, two women passed by them. The miller heard one of them saying, "Look, instead of riding the donkey, they are walking beside it." The miller and his son rode the donkey for a while until a man asked them to stop. "Sir," said the man, "your donkey looks weak. Why don't you carry it on your shoulders instead?" The miller and his son carried the donkey on their shoulders for a while. Soon they came to a river. While crossing the river, the miller slipped and fell, along with the donkey and his son. It is not possible to please everyone all the time. Born free. Once there was a wolf. He had not eaten for days and had grown thin. His search for food led him out of the forest and into the outskirts of a city. There he saw a big house. "I might get some food here," he thought. He saw a dog sitting in the lawn. The dog barked at the wolf. The wolf said, "Friend, you seem strong and energetic. What's your favorite haunt for searching food?" The dog replied, "I don't go searching for food. I live here. My master feeds me." The wolf said, "I will live here too. Look how lean I've become without food." "But wait a minute. What's that around your neck?" The dog replied, "A chain, so that I may not harm anyone or run away." The wolf said, "Goodbye. I would rather die hungry and be free than be a slave who is well fed." Horse sense. Once there was a rich man. He had a horse. He loved his horse a lot and appointed a stableman to take care of him. The stableman washed and scrubbed the horse clean every day. Then he groomed him so that he might look shiny and handsome. The rich man stocked the stable with lots of oats and grains for the horse to eat. But the stableman gave the horse very little to eat. He stole the oats and grains and sold those at the local market and earned a huge sum. This became a regular practice. The horse was aware of the stableman's dishonest ways. He didn't like the stableman's attention. One morning, the horse said to the rich man, "If you really want me to look better, stop grooming me so much and start feeding me properly. Food will make me strong and I will start looking healthy without these extra efforts." A fox in the well. It was a beautiful afternoon in autumn. The trees were turning orange and the forest floor was covered with leaves. A fox was out on a stroll. He was humming a tune to himself. Suddenly, his foot slipped and he landed in a well. "Oh no! I was unable to see the well. because of the autumn leaves. I will die shivering, he said. Just then, a wild goat was passing by the well. The fox thought it was his only chance to save himself. He shouted, "This water tastes like nectar. No one else should find out about this well." This intrigued the goat. He came near the well and asked, "Really? Can I have a sip?" The fox replied, "Jump in, but don't tell anyone about this well." The goat jumped into the well. The fox immediately climbed on the goat's back and got out of the well.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.